Numbers. This is the first chapter of mathematics textbook, grade 1. Number patterns is the topic for today's lesson. This is the second lesson of week and the topic is number patterns. The objectives are to complete the missing numbers according to number patterns, to complete the number sequence. Alright children, let's start our lesson with mental starter. Answer the following by recalling place value. Add 2 to the following numbers. The numbers given in the first row are 72, 37 and 12. As you can see that these are 2-digit numbers having the place value identified at the top of each digit. 2-digit numbers are having units and tens. What you need to do that you have to add 2 to each of the given number. Remember students that whenever you have to add a single digit, you will add it at unit place. In this way 72 will become 74, yes 37 will turn to be 39 and 12 will become 14. Look at the next row of numbers. Add 10 more to the following numbers 172, 437 and 512. You have to add 10. Remember that whenever you are adding 10 to the given number, the place value will change at tens place. You will add one more at tens place. In this way 172 will become 182, 437 will become 447 and 512 will become 522. The value is being changed at tens place. Alright children, moving ahead with mental starter, answer the following question recalling place value again. This time you are going to subtract the given numbers 1 or 10 from the given set of numbers. Within the previous practice, you added the numbers within the given set of numbers and we followed the same pattern like changing the value in unit place or at tens place. This time we are following the same pattern for the given numbers, subtracting 1 or subtracting 10. Let's subtract 1 first. 122, 332 and 782. These are the numbers given to us and first we have to subtract 1 and we get the answers as 121, 331 and 771 respectively. If you observe the pattern, the value is being changed at unit place because whenever we subtract a single digit from the given number, the value is changed at unit place. But when we subtract tens from the given number, the same pattern is being followed in all of the numbers that the value is being changed at tens place this time. So 122 is becoming 112 and after subtracting tens from 332 we get 322. And when we subtract tens from 782 we get 773. So the values are being changed at the same place for all of the numbers when we subtract the same number. Alright children, let's move towards the next part of the lesson, main activity. The question given over here is write missing numbers according to the given pattern. The patterns given over here are add 2 more, 3 more, 5 more or 10 more. Starting from the first part, add 2 more to the given numbers 51, 53, 55. What comes next? Yes, 57 and then 59, correct. 61, 63 afterwards. 3 more than the given numbers 70, 73, then comes yes 76 and then 79, then 82. 5 more, very simple, 10, 15, 20 and then 25, 30 and 35. 10 more, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and then 80. Children, remember one thing, whenever you have to add a single digit to the given numbers, add it at the unit place. And when you are adding 10 to the given number, you will add it at tens place. One more at tens place. Number patterns is our current topic. Let's watch a video in this relevance. Don't forget to note down the main points of the video and to relate the given details of the video with the discussions made so far. So let's watch.
What are the missing numbers? 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. In each step, the numbers go up by 1. The missing numbers are 10 and 12. What are the missing numbers? 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. In each step, the numbers are going up by 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. The missing numbers are 14 and 16. What are the missing numbers? 14 minus 2 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. In each step, the numbers are going down by 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. The missing numbers are 8 and 4. What are the missing numbers? 17 minus 1 is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. In each step, the numbers go down by 1. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 minus 1 is 18. The missing numbers are 19 and 18.
Well, I hope the video was interesting. Now this is the time to do some written task. Children, you have to complete number patterns, page number 30 of mathematics textbook. The relevant worksheet has been shown as well. Let's wrap up the session by discussing question number 3, which is given on page number 30 of textbook. Fill in the boxes with the correct numbers. The number 1 more than 91. By adding 1 to 91, it will become, 92. The number 2 less than 47. Counting backwards, 47, then 46, and then 45. Yes. The number 2 more than 50. Add 2 to 50. It will make 52. Correct. The number 10 more than 66. Yes, 76. And the number 10 less than 99, it will be 89. Good job. Moving onward towards reinforcement task. Children, you have to complete page number 35 of textbook, which is also shown in the slide. Continuing with the reinforcement task, you need to revise the spellings from 1 to 10. This is nothing new for you. You have already done it in previous classes as well. Moreover, revise the spellings from 11 to 20 as well. So take care and study well.